Insert and clip the feet onto the lower part of the frame. Complete the assembly by fitting the 90-degree waste pipe elbow into the clamp. Using your spirit level, draw a vertical line that crosses the center of your waste pipe. Measuring from the floor for a standard bowl placement at 400 mm from the floor. Draw a mark A at 1 meter and a mark B at 1.08 meters. If necessary, adjust your measurements to match your own desired bowl placement. On your mark B, draw the holes for the wall brackets 235 mm to the left and to the right of the center of your evacuation. Put the unit into place and check the position with respect to the water supply and waste pipe. Maneuver the 90-degree waste pipe elbow according to your installation, horizontally or vertically. If necessary, adapt the connection using PVC piping. Make sure that the unit is at least 230 mm from the wall, then mark the location of the holes for the unit's foot brackets. Grease the seal of the 110 mm waste adapter so that the 90-degree waste pipe elbow fits easily. If you are gluing the PVC connection, use a straight glue in 90-100 sleeve. For standard bowl placement, check that the height is 230 mm. Check to make sure the unit aligns with your marks. If necessary, adjust your measurements for the desired bowl height. Drill holes into the wall using a 10 mm drill bit. Insert the roll plugs. Drill holes into the floor using a 12 mm drill bit. Insert the roll plugs. Adjust the frame height so that it lines up with your mark A. Secure the feet using a 13 mm wrench. Make sure the frame is level horizontally. Adjust the level by loosening the adjustment bolt on one of the feet using a 13 mm wrench, then tighten the screw. Make sure the screw is firmly tightened on the other foot. On the threaded rod, place one nut, 2 washers and 1 nut. Place the fixation brackets on the threaded rod with the clips open. Secure the brackets to the wall using a 13 mm open-end wrench. Adjust vertical alignment using the screws and spirit level. Use a 13 mm open-end wrench to tighten the screws. Close the metal clips to lock the screws. Finish by placing the plastic clips over the rod. Place the clip on the waste pipe clamp fitted earlier. Pull the red handle to remove the transport bracket and discard it. Remove the cover to access your cold water connection. Attach the exterior part of the stop valve to your cold water connection using a 22 mm open-end wrench and a pipe wrench. This assembly must be made without using a seal. Point the stop valve outflow to the right. Connect the internal flexible water inlet hose to the stop valve. Make sure the isolation valve is closed and open the main water supply. Make sure the isolation valve connection is watertight. Place the other end of the hose in a bucket to catch the water and then slightly open the faucet to check for water. Close the isolation valve. This operation flushes any debris out of the water connection to the cistern. Connect the end of the flexible water inlet hose to the flush system. Place the inspection shaft according to the orientation of your flush plate. Cut the covering panels to match the unit's openings and sides. Screw in the threaded rods with the cardboard covering into the frame. Place the cutout templates for the waste and flush pipe. Attach all the panels. Carefully use a cutter to cut the exterior plastic part flush with the cover. Turn on the water supply. Install the flush plate mounting bracket with the plastic springs facing downwards and then tighten the 2 screws. By rotating it completely. Then connect the blue tube to the mechanism. Place the bottom of the panel first, then push upwards while pressing towards the unit. Operate the flush button to ensure that it is working